Today we're going to open the minifigure
Figurines.
figurines.
Or minifigures.
Minifigures Legos today, so let's
Okay,
get
so
opening.
let me just.
I need scissors. Scissors.
This much.
Oh, that many?
Yeah,
Do it from the top.
This much, but another. This much, but if we did like it, too much. But put it like this.
Oh.
Oh, don't you mind? I thought you always do. We're gonna see how do we build this? Wait, but I'm gonna look at.
How many pieces are there?
I have no idea.
Violet, sit back on the couch, Bubba. Put it right there on the other side. Violet, can you put it on that side so we can see it? So how many pieces do we have? Do we have
First onion. First you put
1, 2, 3,
Violet,
4, 5, 6.
Violet, first we need to see the instructions. Open this. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way.
I think she has she.
Wait, let's see who we got. Let's see who we're gonna get.
Yeah, that looks right.
Violet, can I do the other things? Try to do the vest. Please, Violet, I want to do the vest.
Hey, Violet. Violet. Violet.
I can't do
Violet.
this part.
Okay.
It's not fair. She always gets to do it and I always don't. I always want to do it. Me?
So it looks like, let me see that paper real close. So let's see which one this looks like. Let's put it right here.
It looks like... Which one? Oh, snap.
Let me see. Can you see it? Let me see what it looks like, Violet. Can you put it right here? So here's number 14. So he's number 14. He's this guy.
Yeah, so he's...
Let me see.
Where is he?
Right there, that one. Can I see it, Violet? Can you put... Here, can you put it down right there? Hold on, how about it? So he's wearing a shirt that says Tor, and this one has like a lightning shirt.
That's impressive. Are Legos for playing or not?
Oh, usually when you set it up, you leave it. It's like they're toys when you put them together, but then they're not. Alright, guys. Hey, guys.
Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Bye.